Hi all, in this video I'll show you how to use the new Power Automate integration we've built at Orchestra. And yeah, without further ado, we'll just go click on integrations, set up a new connection. We'll search for Power Automate, and we're given a set of credentials we need to fill out, and we have a small setup guide. So we'll briefly go over the setup guide. And yeah, basically to connect Power Automate to Orchestra, we will need admin permissions within our Power Automate and Azure account, and a Power Automate environment created from the Power Platform admin portal. And then there's further instructions to set up the connection. So we'll go to Power Platform admin portal, we'll go to environments and create a new environment. Make sure to toggle this to make it a managed environment, and also add a Dataverse data store. And we have our own environment already created in TestEnv, so we'll use this one for this demo. And then to set up a connections, we need a Microsoft Entra registered app with the dynamic CRM user impersonation permission, and we will need to create a client secret for the app. After that, we'll need to go to Power Platform to fetch organization name and region from the environment URL. So now we'll just go and create a registered app in Azure. We already have our app created. It's called the Dataverse API app. We go in here. It's important to give it the API permissions here. Give it the dynamic CRM user permissions. These other permissions are not that necessary, but the dynamic user impersonation permissions are needed for these to work. And yeah, we'll just go into overview, and we'll generate a secret because we've been asked to create a secret. So we'll just call this a demo secret, and yeah, we'll just create this secret. So then I think we have all the necessary values to go and create our connection. So we'll copy the value of the demo secret. We'll add it here. Then we need to get the client ID. The client ID will be in overview. We'll copy this client ID here. And then the Azure tenant ID can also be found on our registered app. So we'll copy that as well. And as for the organization and the region, as the last instruction in the setup connection mentions, we need to go to Power Platform to fetch it. So we go to Power Platform in our environment. We have this environment URL. This first set is the organization. We'll just copy this. And yeah, the organization is this first part, and the region is this second part. And we're just gonna name our connection demo connection. So we're just gonna add these credentials. We're gonna be validating this, and we have now our connection set up with Power Automate.